how to play Brawl Stars on your Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for BlueStacks. After that, open up this link over here, and this way it will redirect you to a page that is compatible with your Mac. And when you click on this option of download BlueStacks, it will download it for your Mac device. And after that, just simply install it quite easily. You would be able to find this download package on your download section. Simply double click on it and continue with the installation progress, and this way you would be able to install BlueStacks quite easily. And these are the steps that you need to follow. Simply open up the downloaded package, then install it, then you can launch it quite easily. And you can also press Command plus space bar to open up the spotlight and then search for BlueStacks over here and then open it up, and this way you would be able to open up BlueStacks. After that, what you need to do is just log into your Play Store account, which is quite necessary. You can use your Gmail account to do that, and after that, when you search for Brawl Stars, you would be able to find it. Otherwise, you won't be able to find Brawl Stars without logging into your Gmail account. And after that, you can just simply install it and then play it. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.